Hello. For some reason that I don't quite fathom, everybody wants me to talk about the Jeff Gray arrest in Moultrie, Georgia. Cohen v. California. Political speech. You have to narrow your disturbing the peace use of opprobrious language down to fighting words. You have to. You can't catch political speech in it. If it catches political speech in it, then it is overbroad. Gooding v. Wilson, Georgia case determining the Georgia disturbing the peace, opprobrious language wording. Looked right, tends to incite immediate breach of the peace, but the Georgia Supreme Court hadn't said that it was limited to fighting words. Has to limit it to fighting words. Has to be limited to fighting words or else it's overbroad. So it was overbroad. Even though it had all the right language in it, it was overbroad because it wasn't limited by the Georgia Supreme Court to being only fighting words. So Gray gets arrested. He doesn't get charged with a state statute. He gets charged with an ordinance. I don't know which one they have two. So you're going to have to tell me. One says that you can't use fighting words. One makes it a crime, disturbing the peace, to use fighting words. It literally says to use fighting words. That statute is going to not be overbroad, most likely. That ordinance is most likely good. There's another one that is not limited. It says that if you use opprobrious language or something akin to it that tends to incite violence or that leads to violence, then you're guilty of a crime. That one is probably overbroad, which is probably why they have two. Now, as applied, it is going to be overbroad because it is being applied to Gray in a situation where it's catching language that is political speech, right back to Cohen v. California. So there you go. No matter which way you slice it, they went and fucked up. Now, is it going to be a lawsuit? I don't know. Is Jeff Gray going to win lots of money? I don't know. Are the police, are their qualified immunities going to be pierced? I don't know. I just don't know. Is there a Manel claim? I don't know. There's too many things that I don't know about to be able to really talk about it. But the part that happened is very uninteresting. They fucked up. They misapplied their ordinance to him, and their ordinance has to be, and most likely is, limited to fighting words, which fuck City Hall is not fighting words. I don't even know why you guys wanted. I think you guys are just so concerned that, I don't know, maybe that I'm like in it for the cops or something. Like it's just not interesting. I just talk about the interesting stuff. And it's just not interesting for me to say, yeah, they really screwed the pooch on it because it is clearly and blatantly against the law when everybody in the community is already agreeing with it. There, I've agreed with everybody. Woo! Interesting topic. Yay! I'm sure I'll get thousands of really interesting questions off this one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.